Okay, let's say after you completing block grade 3, now you like work about grade 4. If you want to start to work for grade 4, you need to clear the sheet first. This last sheet, yeah. You can do it manually just by selecting and then pressing delete or backspace button, or you can do as I did as a me setting finish. Just go click here and then should have the enter your password.
Welcome to the assessment wizard.
Okay, in order for you to clear the old sheet, the front sheet here, so that you prepare yourself for the next group of data to be entered, as an example for grade 4, 5, 6 or 7, then you just come to clear. Do not press this button or this button. If you press this button, Ember Clearing Database record for language for grade 3. What it does is Ember Golo grade 3, Ember Golo language record number clearing in the database. If you do not need the language subject to be stored in the database, then you can press this la. Also this la. Suppose you got important data already stored for language for grade 3 in the database, do not press this if you need those data, because all data stored inside processed information stored in the database for grade 3 is already there. If you are done with the data and you have already produced your statement of result, now you say I don't need this data anymore because I have already did a backup copies of each of the data, then you can clear this, press clear, then Ember Clearing database for grade 3, all of them, all the subjects from language up to arts, all the 7 subjects. Then you can go on with the next assessment period, maybe period 2. If you're done with period 1, now you want to clear the database and then you have to store the new records for period 2. After you have backup all the data, then you can press clear database. But if you are still working with your system, now you don't want to clear the database because you still need those information, then do not press this one or this one. You want to clear the actual sheet outside TASOL, and then you begin back with the other sheets. Begin with other grades, example grade 4, grade 5. So example, if you are finished with grade 3, now you like workload grade 4, grade 5, then you just clear these results here. You just clear with marks. So you're clearing with marks, and by clearing rank to national assessment including marks. So as you press clear without marks, then Ember Clearing this la part TASOL. But because this is already clear, we have to clear with marks, so it will click this one too.
Do you want to clear language results for grade 3 now?
Say yes. Okay,
clearing of content is completed successfully.
Okay, and then you have to clear entry. It will clear this bit of information here.
Do you want to clear student names, classes, and gender now?
Yes.
Clearing of content is completed successfully.
Okay, so this is how you do for preparing yourself to enter a new set of data, say example for grade 4. So this is where you use the clear button to clear, and this is an explanation of how to use the clear button. Okay, that's it.